Today, we're diving into some exciting news for all the Samsung Galaxy fans out there. We're talking about One UI 7, Samsung's upcoming software update that promises to change the game. With internal tests already underway, will Samsung be able to deliver a bug-free experience this time? Let's find out. Samsung has postponed this year's One UI beta program, and now the One UI 7 beta is expected to launch by the end of the year. Last year, the One UI 6 beta was released in August, and the Galaxy S23 series was the first to participate. Samsung extended the beta program to include older Galaxy phones and foldables as well. That beta program lasted for nearly 3 months, during which Samsung pushed out 9 major updates for the Galaxy S23 series. However, those early builds came with their fair share of issues, like inconsistent animations and bugs that frustrated users. So given the current situation, we're likely to see a shorter beta program this time around. Now, what's interesting is that Samsung has hinted at a more developer-focused beta this year. This was confirmed at Samsung Developer Conference 2024, SDC24, where the company shared some insights. They promised that One UI 7 will feature a fresh design with simpler, yet impactful and emotive components. Samsung is also exploring a brand new look for the interface, potentially offering more personalization options for Galaxy users. Sounds pretty cool, right? The major update, however, won't arrive until next year. Samsung announced that the official version of One UI 7 will be launched alongside the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. So, while we're getting some exciting changes with One UI 6.1 right now, we'll have to wait until early next year for One UI 7 and all the new AI-driven features. As far as availability goes, it's still unclear if Samsung will launch the One UI 7 beta in the usual 7 markets or if they'll adjust the availability this time. There's speculation that they could decrease the number of markets for the Watch beta, or perhaps expand it globally for certain Galaxy models. We'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. But here's the exciting part. Samsung has already begun internal testing of One UI 7 on the Galaxy S24 series. In fact, a new One UI 7 test build for the Galaxy S24 was spotted on the server with the COBITS 926 NQ3 BXC, following an earlier build labeled BXI. Reliable sources like Rear and VAT on X have confirmed that Samsung is working on these internal builds. This shows that the company is actively making improvements as they move closer to rolling out the beta version. It's not just the Galaxy S24 series that's undergoing internal testing. Other devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy S23, and Galaxy S22 are also being tested with One UI 7. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 even made headlines recently when it was spotted online on GBN running One UI 7. A trusted tipster, Terran Vat, shared that the Z Flip 6 scored 1227 in single-core tests and 5781 in multi-core tests. This makes the Z Flip 6 the first foldable device to be tested with the upcoming software. So, options to the improved AI features, it looks like One UI 7 will be a major leap forward for Samsung's software. So are you excited for the One UI 7 beta update? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, a like and a subscription to the channel would be much appreciated. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Geely smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.